Excel, calculate compound interest on your savings. The FV, Future Value, function in Microsoft Excel helps you figure out how your savings will grow over time with compound interest. Example. Annual interest rate, 3%. Enter as 0.03 in cell A1. Time period, 36 months. Enter in cell A2. Monthly deposit, $100. Enter in cell A3. Starting balance, $1,000. Enter in cell A4. Then use this formula in A5. Copy. Edit. Equals FE, A1/12, A2, A3, A4. This formula calculates compound growth monthly by dividing the annual rate by 12. Result, your future savings will grow to $4,856.11 after 3 years, assuming you deposit $100 each month at 3% annual interest.